Hi and welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to design and assemble a simple rack using Solidworks 2022 sheet metal. By watching this tutorial, you will learn the technique of creating sheet metal parts and their assembly. By watching this tutorial, you will learn the use of Solidworks tools like the sketch, pattern, mirror, boss extrude, extrude cut, etc. You also learn the use of sheet metal tools like solid conversion, base flange, edge flange, etc. In the end, you learn the assembly technique of those sheet metal parts. Hope you will stay connected with us and continue learning Solidworks 2022 sheet metal. Hope you will love the way we design and assemble the sheet metal rack by using Solidworks 2022. First, we gonna design the top grill of the rack. Then we will design the stand. Finally, we will assemble those sheet metal parts to complete the rack by using Solidworks 2022. So, let's get started. Select plain white from the Apply Scene menu. Select material from the material library. Here we gonna use SS316. Left click on the top plane and start a new sketch. Take the rectangle command and draw like me. The width of the rectangle is 320 millimeters. The length of the arm is 500 millimeters. Take midpoint line command and draw lines like me. Control select these three lines and convert them for construction. Control select the endpoints of those lines and the construction line and make them symmetric. The sketch is fully defined. Now take the straight slot command and draw like me. Control select the center point and the construction line and make them coincident. This distance is 80 millimeters. The radius is 6 millimeters. This distance is 10 millimeters. This distance is 10 millimeters. The sketch is fully defined. Now we will use the liner pattern command. Select this line as pattern direction. Select the slot for the pattern. Use number of instances 10. Distance between patterns 25 millimeters. Changes to 11. Again, we gonna use the pattern command. Select the slot for the pattern. Use number of instances 11. Distance between patterns 25 millimeters. Draw a line like me. We will use this line for trimming unwanted portions of those slots. This distance is 10 millimeters. Same on this side. Now trim all unwanted lines. Let's use the mirror command. Mirror about this line. Select all the slots. Perfect, press OK to complete the mirror command. Now we will again use the mirror tool. Mirror about this line. Select all the slots. Nice, press OK to complete the mirror command. Hide relations to clean the drawing. Left-click the line and convert it into a construction line. Now extrude the sketch. Extrude depth is 3 millimeters. Press OK to complete the command. Press the space button and select isometric view. For using the sheet metal tool, we need to convert this plate into sheet metal. Keep all parameters as it is. You can also change those values as your requirement. Select the surface. Perfect. Press OK to complete the command. Check sheet metal properties. If you want, just customize these parameters. Press the space button and select isometric view. Now we gonna add flanges. Select End Flange command. Select the edge, from where you want to start the flange. Drag your cursor for selecting the direction of flange and simply left-click. Now put the flange length here. Keep all options as it is in my model. Let's select the second edge. Simply left-click on the screen after selecting the right direction of extrusion. Make it correct again. Press OK to complete the command. Press the space button and select isometric view. Again, we will use the end flange command. Select the upper edge. Same on this side. The depth is 15 millimeters. One more time. We will use the end flange command. In this direction. Same on this side. The width is 28 millimeters. The final flange of this part. The direction will be upward. Same on this side. The height is 12 millimeters. Press the space button and select isometric view. The top grill is finished. Save the part in a suitable location and give a name. Let's create the stand. Select plain white. Select material from the material library. Sketch on the front plane. Draw a rectangle like me. The width of the rectangle is 320 millimeters. The height of the rectangle is 125 millimeters. Draw a construction line connecting the origin and the midpoint of the line. Draw a center rectangle like me. Make sure the center of the rectangle is coincident with the construction line. Height is 25 millimeters. The width is 230 millimeters. The distance between these two lines is 60 millimeters. Now we gonna use the point command, for marking certain distances. The distance is 70 millimeters. Same for this. Draw a circle of 260 millimeters in diameter. Control select and make the circle and the point coincident. Same for this side too. Now trim unwanted lines. The sketch is fully defined and ready for extruding. The extrude depth is 3 mm. Press the space button and select isometric view. Now, we need to convert this part into sheet metal. Select the part and go to Sheet Metal tab. Select Convert to Sheet Metal. Keep all the parameters as default. If you want, you can customize it to your need. Check the sheet metal properties. I need small changes. Let's use the end flange command. Select the edge and the direction of extrusion. Same for this edge. The width is 40 mm. Again, we gonna create 2 more flanges. Select the edge and the direction of extrusion. Same for this edge. Perfect. The width is 20 mm. Again, do the same. Select the edge and the direction of extrusion. Same for this edge. Perfect. Here the depth is 12 mm. Now we will make 2 holes for bolting. Sketch on the surface. Draw 2 circles like me. Control select and make them equal. Make the centers of those circles horizontal. Put the diameter of 10 mm. The distance is 35 mm. This distance is 17.5 mm. This one is 35 mm. The sketch is fully defined and ready for extruding cut. Change it to through all. Press the space button and select isometric view. Let's use a 5 mm chamfer on some sharp corners. Select all these corners. Press OK to complete the command. Press the space button and select isometric view. Save the part in a suitable location and give a name. Finally, we gonna assemble these parts. Click on New and select Assembly. First, select the top grill. Don't click on any point in the graphic area. Change the orientation. Just simply click the OK button. Because in this way the origin of the part and the origin of the assembly will be coincident. Select plain white. Add a new part into the assembly. Select the stand. Change the orientation. Finally, left-click on the graphic area for placing the stand there. Do the same one more time for the second stand. Change the orientation. Perfect. We gonna use mate for connecting. Select these surfaces and make coincident. Now coincident these two surfaces. Finally, these surfaces. Let's define another stand. Make these surfaces coincident. These two surfaces too. Finally, these two surfaces. Press the space button and select isometric view. The assembly is fully defined. Let's change the appearance of the stand. Use dark powder coat. Press the space button and select isometric view. Perfect. Congratulations. This is the final rack assembly that we were trying to build using SolidWorks 2022. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please like and share. Because your engagement encourages me to upload new tutorials. Please also let me know your thought about this tutorial through comments. Thanks for your time.